Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Vanessa here in Nessa Kitchen, and in today's video we'll be making this delicious and yummy pasta. So we'll be doing this pasta and we'll be eating it with chicken. That is the chicken by the side of the pasta. So stay with me guys as we do this together. I will show you all the ingredients and all the steps I use in making this. So guys, here are the ingredients we'll be needing. We'll be needing cheese, we'll be needing zucchini, I've already grated it. We'll be using tuned fish, we'll be using our spring onions, our normal onions, and sliced onions, I've already sliced it. And I'll be using olive oil in making this. You can use any oil of your choice, you can use vegetable oil, but I choose to use olive oil in making this pasta. I've already parboiled my pasta. So guys, I went ahead and I put in my pan and I put in my olive oil. Like I say, you can use olive oil, you can use vegetable oil, other people use butter, you can also use butter. Then I went ahead and I put in my onions. I've already sliced my onions, that is what I'm doing. I put in my onions, I fried it just a little bit, not really long and all that. That's what I'm doing. I'm just mixing it up and frying it together. Then the next step, I put in my carrot. I grated my carrot, so I use this hand grater to like grate the carrot to get these tiny pieces that you are seeing. So I put in my grated carrots. I went ahead, I mixed it up just as you can see. I put in the whole carrots. I just fried it a little. Please guys, don't fry your vegetables so long as they will lose their nutrient and all that. So I just fried it a little. So the next step now, I'll be putting my spring onions. I've already sliced my spring onions too, and that is what I'm doing. I'm putting my spring onions and I just fried it. I mixed it together with the carrots and the onions. It was okay. So the next step, I'll be putting in my zucchini. I used the hand grater also to grate the zucchini to get these tiny pieces of it. So the next step I'll be putting in is putting my zucchini, and that's what I'm doing. I put in all my zucchini and I just mixed it together, and now I can see that yes, it's okay. Then the next step guys, we'll be putting all our seasons. Now you can use any season of your choice, but in this recipe I used I used non cube, I used salt, I used curry, I used black pepper, I used a little bit of our Nigerian dried pepper. You know I love the pepper, so after using the black pepper, I still put our normal Nigerian red pepper that was already blended. Just like I say, you can use any ingredients. Yes, that is my pepper. I love pepper in food guys. You can use anything you want, Then the next step now is to put in my pasta. Like I said, I've already parboiled my pasta earlier. It's good to parboil it and then you wash the starch away. So the next step now is just to mix in my pasta in all my vegetables. After mixing it, the next step I use tuned fish guys. You can use tuned fish, you can use sardine, you can use anything you want. You can even use corned beef. If you want, you can put corned beef. For me, I had sardine. I have these two types of sardine. The first one I used was just sardine and some little oil inside. But the second one was sardine and some little sauce of onions juice inside. After that, I put in my sliced tomato. The sliced tomato I sliced earlier, I put inside. Then the next step is for us to be putting in our cheese. Oh my god, if only I was eating this alone, I would put like enough cheese. I really used to enjoy enough cheese like in my pasta and all that, because yes, I love it when I'm eating it and it's like drawing, the way it's drawing, that's slicky, that drawing, I really used to love it and all that. But I just put a little and our pasta is ready. That is just it. The next thing, I just put in my chicken breast that I boiled earlier. I discovered I have chicken breast, so I just put in. And here is our pasta, guys. We ate this with a grilled chicken I made earlier. It was so delicious. Please, you guys should try this. Try it, and don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you in my next video. This is me saying bye.